Okay, those who are scoring 74-75%, it doesn't mean that they have not put the effort. Okay, for me, only the effort, perseverance, compassion, that only counts for me. Yeah. Okay, I do not want to give any speech. I have learned so much from you. This career just happened to me. I've never thought कि मैं ऐसे कभी बैठ के या कभी ऐसे भाषण दूंगी. I've never thought only. I just started at home with 1 or 2 students. They started sharing their problems, and it just happened. So it's very good to feel that okay, I can help someone who is in emotionally also disturbed. They share everything with me. They share whatever is happening at home, in school, and how they are facing problems in all those. So we selected special mementos for everyone based on their personalities. Hope you will like it. Yeah. Who wants to share your experience, please? कुछ भी आ रहा है दिमाग में बोलो. Yeah. See, teaching is very easy. I know that. That speech is very difficult. Samyukta, you were about to tweet. उसने अरे वो मेरी publicity करने वाली है book की. चल इधर आ. Yeah. Yes.
I joined Rachna ma'am when I was in 9th grade. I'm in 11th now. I didn't do any of the gym. Blah, blah, blah.
Buttering लगा के बोल.
Okay.
Come
buttering. Okay. When I first had my class with Rachna ma'am, I thought that I was going to be bored the entire 2 years because
she doesn't like science at all. She hates science.
I chose humanities. So our first class was chemistry, and हमने किया था language of chemistry. And I was a COVID baby when we started science. So I had no clue about any of the basics, nothing. And so I walked in blind. I was like, Mama, मुझे tuition नहीं करना है. And she was like, you need tuition, so you'll go. I've heard about this teacher, she's really good. I was like, okay, fine, I'll try it out. And I came and we had a class for 1 hour, and I was bored out of my mind because I couldn't understand what was happening. And so at the very end of it gets better. At the very end of the class, I just had this moment where I had eye contact with Rachna ma'am, and she asked me, "एक कान से अंदर, दूसरे कान से बाहर ना?" And I said, "Satyavachan." So after that, she asked me, "What do you know?" And I said, "Next question." And she said, "Okay, I'll teach you now." And then she started from scratch. I was the first kid for the 10th ICSE batch.
Yeah.
And I remember that I had these few months where it was just Rachna ma'am and I. And it was just me being, "Ma'am, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता है. Please, can you start from
can you start from A, if someone accepts that, then I'll start from scratch. Yeah.
Ma'am did start from scratch. So it was a lot of effort, and thank God I was able to do my 10th really well. And throughout our classes, all of 10th grade, I've not had so much fun in my entire life. If somebody asks me, okay, what are the parts of science you liked? I'm only going to be able to recall the time that I spent in class, because ma'am could make everything so enjoyable.
Yeah. I enjoyable क्या तुम बकवास ही इतनी करते हो?
I have to say, I was also a major contributor to what makes the class interesting. मैं क्या करूँ? I was fun also.
You understand, she deserves to be leader or something.
I was also called I was the first person to be called Dhakkan in my class, which I think is a huge accomplishment.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, yes. So
thank you so much. Thank you.
basically my mother knew that I knew the whole concept of science, but I didn't know how to answer any question in an exam. And because my mother asked Samyukta's mother which I recommend a good tuition center, I got Rachna ma'am. And first,
I tried. That's how.
yeah, that one. And then eventually what happened is at first class, I remember there were like 4 people in the class and she was covering the absolute basics and I was like, okay, this is a bit boring. Eventually,
Tell honest
Yeah.
opinion I need.
yeah, and then later on I realized Vignesh in my school, he also goes to Rachna ma'am's tuition, and then I realized he lives next to my house nearby. This,
It's okay.
and,
This is his first time, okay? This is his first time.
first time though.
Acha, okay. Tell, continue.
Yeah. But so, and as I continued, 10th grade was very easy for me. So I was.
He is very smart. He doesn't need any tuition actually.
No,
बस इसकी मम्मी उसको भेजती थी. These are one of self-made kids.
I used to
Yeah.
come to Rashtra ma'am mostly because of the test, and I remember most of the time after I got my first full in Rashtra ma'am's test, I was like, these tests are pretty easy. Then the next test I just came, I was like, this test, whatever is, I'll get full most likely. For some reason, she twisted the question so much, even I didn't get it. And no, I'm very sure for some reason. And then later on, I just realized that Rachna ma'am made me realize what actually science is. It's not about just one grade. It's about science in general. You can't be you can be good at a certain syllabus, but you cannot be good at science in general. She made me focus on what I can't do, and that's how I did good in my science boards. So I want to say thank you to Rachna ma'am for all of that.
Last वाला थोड़ा सा. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Shiv.
Yeah.
Hey, रुक मैं निकालता हूँ.
Last year around November,
It's looking me for.
so I was really bad at chemistry. I was getting like 40% marks, like really bad. And then, so in the beginning, I wasn't able to understand anything during Rachna ma'am's classes, but soon I was able to catch up with everyone. Then I started writing the test. Then I stopped writing the test for sure.
Yeah, one thing. Before, just 1 month before board exams, he said to his parents, I don't need, I have completed the syllabus. Then I called his father, I do not need fees, please send him to write the test, sir. That's how I compelled him to write the test, and then he wrote both physics and chemistry tests.
And that was really helpful for me.
Yeah. So he was skipping
That
the
was-
test. That was the reason. Yeah, okay. हो गया. That's fine. Divyansha, come no. Divyansha, yes. Divyansha. I'll go on.
What is
Okay, fine. Sit down and okay, you thanks. You are an athlete, Binda. You are always ready.
always ready?
She is Divyansha, okay. So she is so focused girl. Even in class, when everyone is talking, she was able to focus. She was able to answer the questions.
Sorry.
Yeah, and those people.
It's all right.
Yeah, so she's an athlete. She's state national level cricket player. She's in girls cricket team. Yeah,
I do.
yes, Divyansha. So actually, she used to. मतलब, my full motivation is coming from her. Okay, so like no, she was saying, ma'am, you are my motivation. That gave me so much responsibility on my head. How to be perfect for these type of kids. Like it's you three also, of course, Adi. Okay, तुम लोगों की वजह से there is so much which has come out, from me. दिमाग में इतना भरा हुआ. So you are the, Sachit. चलो,
Thank you.
Yes.
When I joined Rachna ma'am last year in 10th grade in October, and because I had scored less in my first term exams, so I decided to join her. A lot of my friends were also in the tuition, and I think till November or December, whatever questions ma'am asked me, I had no clue what the answer was. I was totally blank. But with the help of extra classes and ma'am's effort and lot of things, thankfully I got to a point where I could answer a lot of questions. And
She was expecting Centum. I don't know where she lost three marks, no? Four marks in chemistry. Because I told her, if you're getting Centum, I'll take you Leela Palace.
yeah, that was
And
my
that was her
motivation.
target. Can you believe? Oh, and she was asking me, ma'am, 96 is enough to take me to Leela Palace. I said yes. First we will have a small treat here. Let me get the confidence, and then I'll take you all.
You didn't say that to us.
I said to everyone. She said, नहीं बोला देख उसको आया है उसको दो में 100 आया, right? See, you got in two subjects 100, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And Rohan, yeah,
Yes.
CS computer sciences. He got in chem and maths. उसका Centum आया chem, उसका 99 आया है. 9, yeah. All three. So these people are okay.
So
Thank you, Divyansh.
No, yeah.
Please.
So I think I had kind of lost hope on. Okay, I had kind of lost hope on scoring 95 plus in actually chemistry and physics. But when ma'am said, I'm going to take you to Leela Palace, that is what I worked for till the end of my chemistry
I'll take her.
exam.
I'll still take her because it is the effort I've seen, like the kind of effort she put. रात को क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है, like you people were sending, she is like that. And she's totally focused. खेल के टाइम पे खेल and पढ़ने के टाइम पे पढ़ना. I've seen athlete. That's why I'm telling everyone, please work out every day. That opens your brain. पूरा brain में ऑक्सीजन जाता है. बहुत अच्छा चलता है दिमाग.
And a lot of motivation comes from Rachna ma'am herself.
अरे मेरा मोटिवेशन तुम लोगों को पता है you know कहाँ क्या वो कौन था मेरा virtues of good students. I made when I took these students classes who were there in advanced batch. मैंने उनको देख करके I wrote all that virtues of good student, and she was the first admirer of that. She was saying, ma'am, that is your best video. Like, so that is my motivation. I want to become like you, these people. Thank you.
And like how you work day and night, and I think you don't take any holidays. Even I came on Holi or something.
Actually, yeah, that is so people are asking कि see there are two personalities in all of us. One is fun loving, resting, luxury, and one is right to do type personality. Okay, for me, I'm one of the luckiest person. For me, right to do and fun. For me, teaching is a fun. So that has become one. So it's like hobby. I'm spending time here in teaching and all. It's hobby also, and it's right to do also.
Yeah.
So for me, it is my time only. Don't worry about that. I like doing this.
No, but I haven't ever seen you taking holidays.
Yes,
So that's a great motivation.
So last month I do for my son.
One.
Yeah.
Like,
Thank you.
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
So a day is a teacher for life. And I need to start with something.
Allah bol. Jai ho. Jai ho.
I'll be honest, मैं यहाँ पे regular. I have not
No,
come here regular.
she is very literary. I don't know how. She is very good at English. I don't know. इसमें इतना अच्छा मतलब video. Okay, yeah. No, this was also my.
I'll be honest, I've been more of an online student than an offline student. And if I have, despite being an online student, I have had a lot of impact on myself. I haven't been able to come here regularly for various reasons, even though I made a resolution that I'll definitely come regularly. So I'll start with how it started, I guess. So in 11th grade, when I was in 11th grade, my mom didn't tell me to go. I told her that I wanted to go somewhere, and at that time, I personally chose Rachna. Somehow, her style appealed to me. I knew a person who went there, and I was really, I was actually excited to go home here. I wasn't bored on the first class or at the end of the first class. I was there in the first class.
Okay. Nice. Very nice. Thank you.
But yes,
Yeah.
no, thank you for the claps. I appreciate the encouragement.
नहीं डरने की जरूरत नहीं है.
No, but actually, when I used to come during the summers of last year, those are some of the best times of my life. Apart from Rachna ma'am, and I have spent a lot of time with Rachna ma'am. Apart from her, Sheetal ma'am, Samhita, and all the people who were there, I had a really good time with everyone. And I will definitely remember all of you.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Tanvi. Thank you so much. So sweet of you.
Okay, so
Hi guys, my name is Anusha, and I joined Rachna ma'am in like 11th grade.
I just mentioned she's way mature than her age. मतलब वो 6-7 साल बड़ी है अपने age से. Okay, she's a very deep thinker. Yeah, so that's why she resonates with me more. मेरा भी बहुत खोपड़ा खराब रहता था इस age. Okay, now you can start.
Yeah, so I joined after my post-midterm exam because it was gone case, 11th grade. It was horribly bad. And then I started off, and when I joined the first class, I joined with people like Nishchil, Soham, Nandini, everyone in my class, and everyone was done with like 2 to 3 chapters ahead of what I was done with. So it was the worst timing for me to join because already I'm bad. Uske upar se sare log, they're already like ahead. But then that itself like made me study so much harder because I saw how easily people were able to solve things that I wasn't. And even if it didn't help me, like, you know, even if I did not get like too good result at the very end, it did make me work so much harder and it did make me so much better. And putting in the effort, like, that really helped me a lot. And I really, you know, do thank Rachna ma'am for that, for teaching me how important that is.
It's not it was you only, just you needed some, you know, guidance. That's it. Yeah.
Right after my 9th grade ended, and well, I was okay at chemistry, but she gave me reference, Samyukta. I was like fine, but
That's a good one. Okay, continue.
I remember I posted something on Viral, and then she replied saying, "Oh yeah, you're coming to my tuition too." And then I went the first week, and then she was nowhere to be seen. And then I called her, I'm like, "Where are you?" And she's like, "I'm in Goa." I'm like,
She went to Goa.
and then, so I was fine in chemistry, but my physics was gone case. I could not solve anything. And like I was always like 80 student, hitting 90s was like my dream. So then,
Yeah, same with me. My academic physics was very bad. It's now I have improved. It's not.
yeah. And then in 10th grade, well, I was very talkative. I have to agree with that.
This girl and Hannah, my god, they were my nightmares. Yeah.
Mom would call us twinnies. I don't know if it's because we look alike or because we behave the
You
same.
just come here. Come here. Guys, you just see these two girls and they resonate so much with each other. You know, they used to answer. Listen. They just see. Look at them. And wait a minute. One more thing. If I ask what is electrolysis, they give the exact definition in the book in chorus singing. Chorus singing.
Gay-Lussac's law.
Gay-Lussac's law. Okay, start that. What is Gay-Lussac's law?
Okay. When gases react, they do so in volumes which bear the simple whole number ratio to one another, and the volumes of their product in gauges provided the temperature such that the reacting gases of their product are constant.
That's how. These are ICSE people, so you can understand, okay, how would they be? So that's how they used to answer. Ma'am, arey baba, ek. So they were so, you know, kya bolo, twinnies. Don't you think they're twins?
Mom, it's only you, ma'am.
From the height, yes.
No, people call us. See, they could be fraternal twins, right?
No, ma'am, in our school, teachers would mistake me for Nishka and Nishka for Hannah.
See?
So it's fine.
See,
It's not only you, it's
so
not
that
only
is
you.
teacher's problem.
When the age low, I said
I've never studied that much in my life. I wrote every test, I came every day, I studied. And like I wouldn't be able to get my board marks without that stuff. I'm like getting 90+ in physics was like, I was shocked.
Yeah, and she was very happy. She was first one to tell me, and she was shouting so much over phone. Ma'am, result came. Ma'am, result came. Please guess how much I got. Guess how much I. So she was like that. So she was the first one who informed me. I was so happy. And so, okay, thank you so much. एक तो तेरे से गले तेरे पेट पे आऊंगी.
Really bad at math and like science, and then I joined Rachna Mams. I remember, like for a very long time, I was just like sitting in her tuition for like hours together and like learning, and that way I made like so many friends, like Harita, Samriddhi, and like everyone.
And I was asking, how do you know Harita? इसने सारे लंबी लड़कियों को friend बना लिए.
No,
सारे. और
no.
And then who else is a friend who is of shorter height?
Isabel, she's
Isabel is there.
yeah.
So, and then after that, towards the end of it, I used to literally live here. I used to study
Yeah.
for like,
Throughout the day,
yeah, like,
that Naisa, Sadhna, everyone.
Yeah.
They were, ये घर उन्हीं का ही था.
yeah, and I used to study in the other house, and I wrote like a lot of tests towards the end. I didn't like start studying I didn't start studying till like Jan mid or something. And then after that, I started studying like properly.
That-
Yeah, I did.
No. She was sitting in the class, she was listening, okay, but she's very, very talkative. And she's very, what shall I say? She cannot, hold her body parts properly. She falls here and there. She, what shall I say, drops things a lot, all those things. But she's a very good basketball player.
No, ma'am. I'm not a basketball player. I play. No, I do athletics. Athletics.
What did you say? Oh my God, how did it survive? I don't know. कोई मोती दान करके आई होगी इसका फोन I think almost 50 times in front of me only she dropped and still it was surviving. I think last month only she changed.
Yeah.
So
It stopped
she's
working.
very, very bad at handling. I hope she handles her studies. Yeah, you will. She's very good at that. Very well-mannered student.
Yes, when I first joined tuition, I joined after my first unit test of 9, I think. And then I got really bad marks in physics and chem. But and then after I joined Rachanam's tuition, I got really good at it and all. And then
It's okay. No buttering. Whatever is coming. Yeah.
Yeah, Samyukta again referred.
Oh yeah, sorry,
Yeah. And yeah, it was fun.
It was more of fun. Those who are coming here, they are coming for fun. More. वो इनके पेरेंट्स को बोल के टेस्ट लिखवा के कैसे न कैसे मेरी गाड़ी चल रही है. They are just writing tests here so frequently. That's why they are scoring. Okay, that is the main. And they study just 2 days before exam. That time they bunk school. They'll come here. They'll sit here with me from 9 to 9, and then they get. That's the main reason, right? For most of them.
Yes.